In this video, I will show you how to seamlessly blend video backgrounds using the powerful layer tools found in Flow. Creating professional compositions often feels intimidating, but once you understand how the layering system works, you can merge different environments with just a few clicks. The first thing you need to do is upload your primary background video into the workspace. This will serve as the foundation of your scene. Once your base layer is ready, you can start the blending process by selecting the specific layer options in the side panel. Instead of just placing one video on top of another, Flow allows you to use smart prompting to guide the software on how the two elements should interact. After you have your layers positioned, you can enter a detailed prompt that describes how you want the textures and lighting to match. For instance, you might want a cityscape to blend into a misty forest. By prompting the tool to harmonize the edges and color profiles, the AI takes over the heavy lifting of mask creation and color grading. This ensures that the transition looks natural rather than like a simple cut and paste job. You can always adjust the blend intensity sliders to fine-tune the transparency and edge softness until the two videos look like they were filmed in the same location. It is a game changer for creators who want to build immersive worlds without needing complex editing software. Experimenting with different prompt keywords can yield amazing results for your projects. That is how you master background blending.